Hello and welcome to the Savera. This is Tinkle before you. At least 8 people were killed and 25 others were injured on Monday after the Sialdah-bound Kanchenjunga Express was hit by goods train in West Bengal's New Jalpaiguri. According to the reports, 3 coaches at the back of the Kanchenjunga Express derailed between the Neechbadi and Rangapani stations under the Indian Railways North-East Frontier Railway Zone due to the impact of goods train and fell to the side. Meanwhile, rescue work to get the trapped passengers out was affected by heavy rain that has been lashing Siliguri since morning. For now, unfortunately, 8 people, including the loco-pilot of the Kanchenjunga Express, died on the spot. 25 other people are severely injured and authorities are trying to rescue those stuck in the train. The accident, which took place on the main rail link from Kolkata to Siliguri, affected long-distance train services, as per the official statements. In a post on social media X, Railway Minister Ashwini Vaishnav said that rescue operations are going on at war footing and that Indian Railways National Disaster Response Force, the NDRF, and the State Disaster Response Force, the SDRF, are working in close coordination. The injured are being shifted to the hospital and senior officials have reached the accident spot. Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee expressed concern over Kanchenjunga Express accident. On a social media post posted on Twitter, she said, "Shocked to learn just now about a tragic train incident in Fanchideva area of Darjeeling district. While details are awaited, Kanchenjunga Express has reportedly been hit by goods train. DM, SP, doctors, ambulances and disaster teams have been rushed to the site for rescue, recovery and medical assistance." On the other hand, President Draupadi Murmu, Prime Minister Narendra Modi and other top leaders on Monday expressed their condolences over the accident in Darjeeling involving the Kanchenjunga Express train and a goods train in which at least 8 passengers were killed and over 20 people sustained injuries. The news of the loss of lives due to a train accident in Darjeeling, West Bengal is deeply distressing. My thoughts and prayers are with the bereaved family. I pray for the speedy recovery of the injured and success of relief and rescue operations, Murmu posted on social media X. Meanwhile, Prime Minister Narendra Modi and Union Home Minister Amit Shah also expressed their grief over the accident. The railway accident in the West Bengal is saddening. Condolences to those who lost their loved ones. I pray that injured recover at the earliest. Spoke to officials and took stock of the situation. Rescue operations are underway to assist the affected. The Railways Minister Ashwini Vaishnav is also on the way to site of the mishap as well, Prime Minister Narendra Modi posted on social media X. Union Home Minister took to his social media platform to express his condolences to the family members of the deceased. He said, "The railway accident in New Jalpaiguri, West Bengal is very sad. I express my condolences to those who have lost their loved ones. It is very unfortunate accident and wish for the speedy recovery of the injured." Vice President Jagdeep Dhankhar also extended condolences to the bereaved families of the accident. The loss of lives in train accident in Darjeeling, West Bengal is truly distressing. I extend my sincere condolences to the bereaved family and pray for the speedy recovery of the injured, Dhankhar posted on social media X. As per the latest updates, Ashwini Vaishnav has left for Darjeeling to the site of train accident involving the Kanchenjunga Express train and a goods train that killed at least 8 passengers and left over 20 people injured. He will reach Bagdogra Airport, which is 40 kilometers away from the accident site. Meanwhile, Indian Railways officials in Delhi are monitoring the situation at the accident site. Well, that's all for now. For more major updates, stay tuned to the Savera.